Hello once again. I'm really glad to see you at my second video to this course, and this video is dedicated to motivation. So, motivation in the context of management is an ability to get others to perform. Motivation is really at the heart of the success of any activity. And hence, a lack of motivation may cost the company money in terms of losing productivity and missed opportunities. Downsizing and restructuring has become commonplace in modern business, and as a result, employees' motivation has been really negatively impacted. A good example is the strike of Air France pilots in 2014. At that time, a company announced that it was going to increase the flights of its low-coster Transavia and at the same time reducing Air France's number of flights. In turn, Air France pilots were offered a job in Transavia, however with lower level of salaries. All this resulted in one of the biggest strikes in the history of Air France, and that costed a company approximately 200 million euros. That is the example of how the lack of motivation might cost company really big money. So, how can a person be motivated? The old command and control methods of motivating are no more suitable for today's environment of empowerment and teams. The one-size-fits-all reward doesn't work with diverse workforce. This is particularly true in a global market where workforce diversity is a rule, not the exception, and where specific skills are in a short supply. New professions regularly appear, and the lack of new, often highly qualified labor force is quite evident. In turn, specific skills require specific reward packages for diverse workforce. In other words, various forms of material and non-material motivation must be utilized to really fulfill the needs of diverse workforce. Such flexibility in motivation allows meeting various emotional and motivational needs of employees. In particular, more and more companies allow their employees to decide where to work, when to work, and how to work. As the theory and practice go hand in hand, or at least they must go, no single theory captures the motivation in its entirety and complexity. You need to understand multiple theories of motivation and then integrate them to get a comprehensive understanding of how to better motivate your employees. That is all I would like to tell you about the motivation. Thank you very much for watching my video, and see you soon.